How to crop video on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can crop a video on your phone. The iPhone, like any other phone, has become a device with which we can edit our pictures and videos. The increased use of social networks has put an emphasis on editing videos as well as images. So in today's video, we will see how we can crop a video on our iPhone. Open the gallery and find the video you want to crop. When you have found the video, mute it and tap the Edit button located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the bottom menu, tap on the Crop option. Now choose how many areas of our video we want to be seen. When we're done, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.